it's Jaleesa. Welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to try something new for you guys that just came in. It's the new Kosas foundation. They actually sent me 3 different shades of their Revealer Skin Improving Foundation. So I wanted to just do a first impressions because I actually really love doing those types of videos. So as always, I'm going to start out with moisturized skin. I just used the Caudalie, I think it's called like Crew Moisturizer. It's really good. I have combo-ish, dry-ish skin these days. It's so weird, but that's how my skin is going these days. So I already have the moisturizer on, and I'm gonna go ahead and prime my skin. I'm using the Ren Perfect Canvas Clean Primer. It's silicone free, and I'm using this one because it's a clean skin care kind of priming situation, and it'll pair perfectly with the Kosas foundation because it's very skincare like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of this on. And if you guys don't know, I'm a huge fan of Kosas. It's a clean skincare brand, and they make the best deodorant on planet Earth. And I swear to you, I'm like 5 bottles in. It's the best deodorant on planet Earth. It's AHA, so like the chemical kills the bacteria that causes the odor, and you will never stink again. It's incredible, like it's crazy. So yeah, they make my favorite deodorant, so I figured why not try the foundation. It's your dream skin revealed. Your skin will look visibly pumped, protected. It has hyaluronic acid, which basically holds, I think, like 2,000 times its weight in water, so it basically keeps your skin hydrated. There's niacinamide, which is really great for keeping your skin calm, and for acne prone skin there's peptides, which really kind of I guess mimic collagen in a way. There's squalene, which is also for hydration. There's arnica, which is really healing. Caffeine, which is really skin boosting. It'll awaken your skin. And then there's Artemisia flower. I don't know what that is, but it's basically skincare in foundation form. So right up my alley. SPF 25. So the shades that I ended up picking, I don't know why I picked these shades because a lot of these are kind of neutral. So let's start with the lightest one, which is medium neutral 220. So it's medium with neutral cool undertones. And then we have medium neutral warm 230, which is medium with neutral warm undertones. Why would I get neutral undertones? I am yellow. I don't know what I was thinking. And then this one is medium tan warm 250. This is medium tan with warm peach undertones. So I'm excited to give this a try. I know talking about the shades doesn't mean anything until I actually put them on. So let's start putting the shades on. This is that medium neutral 220. So it comes with the pump, 1 fluid ounce, which is 30 ml. And let's put this one right here. Okay, so not bad. A little cool toned, but not bad. I just know if I put this all over, it will probably look a little pink. And then we have medium neutral warm 230. I'm just putting a full pump. Okay, that looks more like it. It's a little more yellow. I could have gone a slight tad darker, but it's not bad. And if it oxidizes, it'll be like the perfect shade. So this next one's a lot deeper. I don't know if this will work, but let's see. This is medium tan warm 250. So it's the medium tan with warm peach undertones. Okay. So yeah, I like the level, like the intensity of the shade, but it's still too pink. So we're gonna go with this one in the middle. This one is the warm neutral, medium neutral warm 230. And this one is the medium with neutral warm undertones. So we're gonna go with this shade. If I need to warm it up with some bronzer, I can, but as you can see here, like this one's a little pink. This one's the perfect undertone, but this one is a little bit too just not right. So I'm gonna wipe these off and then we can go on to try the foundation all over. So I saw on the sheet that they sent me that there are 36 shades. The only thing that I have to say is that for some reason, I don't know why these clean skincare brands have issues with coming up with warm yellow undertones. It's always so cool or just off. And it's always the clean brands. Like NARS has no issues. Laura Mercier has no issues. Like it's always the clean brands that are just too cool toned. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's the formulation and I don't know. Maybe there's something about the yellow pigment that just, I don't know, but it's every time, every time. And it's like, I just want to go in the lab with them and help them and say, hey, this is what yellow looks like, guys. But you know, that's neither here nor there. This one is fine enough. So they also sent me 2 concealers that I actually picked out. So I already had these concealers. This is the Revealer Super Creamy Brightening Concealer, I think. Maybe I don't. Maybe I don't have these. But the concealers I do have are in the shade 7 when I lived in Arizona. So I got 6 and 6N. 62N. And I don't understand again why I'm getting N, which is neutral. I don't know what I'm thinking, but I don't know. It's just what I decided to pick. And they also sent powder. I picked the shade Cushiony. So this is Cloud Set powder in the shade Cushiony. It looks light on camera, but in person, it's not that light. it matches my skin. I mean, it's a little lighter, but it's not as light as it looks on camera. I don't know what's going on. And then they also sent this Revealer dual-ended makeup blender. So we're gonna use the blender today because it comes with the well, it's supposed to work with the foundation. It's latex-free, super soft, easy to clean. So yeah, let's try it. Okay, sponge is soft. So it's 2 points, point, and then a point here. I'm used to some sponges that have like a flat side, but this is completely round, so cute. Let me go ahead and moisten it so we can, y'all hate the word moist. I don't get it. I feel nothing about that word, but for some reason people hate the word moist. Okay, let me get on with it because I was supposed to meet somebody at the museum in about 45 minutes and we'll see. So shake well. Let's see. How about we do 1 full pump and then see if we need to build or add more. So 1 full pump. Deep, 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 deep. Around the nose. Okay, so that's 1 full pump. I should have did half and half, shouldn't I? It's all right. So let's go ahead and start to stipple. I'm just gonna take the thicker end here and stipple it on. Okay. Okay. Very natural looking. It blends in. It looks exactly like skin. Like exactly like skin. Like this is a everyday foundation for those of you who like clean skin care in foundation form. So it's almost giving me like a tinted moisturizer, but it's a foundation. So very light. Okay. Do you guys see a huge difference? I don't. Okay. Let's do another pump to build up. So 1 more pump. And deep, 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 deep. See if it's buildable. Just got a little bit on the leg. Should have did half and half, but at the same time, like, not a huge difference. And then let's just stipple this and see if it builds. Yeah, it seems to build. Yeah, okay. It's nice. It's very skin-like. It looks like just nice, kind of healthy, glowing skin. You can still see like my mole peeking through right here. And I'll come in a little closer so you guys can really see. But yeah, it just looks like nice, just looks like healthy skin. Glowy. Not mad at it. Very everyday foundation. Very, you know, let me throw this on and go out kind of, and run my errands, because SPF 25, but at least you look like, you know, like you put a little effort into your look, you know? Not bad. Not bad. Very natural. I like it. I really do like it. Okay. I always try to avoid my forehead. I don't like putting makeup on my forehead. I feel like that's always like the giveaway, is when you like have a really heavy, cakey forehead and it just feels like I'm just like doing too much. I don't know. Like it. Okay. Cute. So let's do a little bit of concealer. Let's let this sink in before we set it, and let's do some concealer. We have the 6 and 6-2N. So let me just swatch on my hand so at least you can see. This one is 6. And this one is 6-2N. So 6-2N, definitely a little bit more cool toned, more peachy. Hopefully you guys can see that with this lighting. For some reason my lighting's so bright today. I'm thinking for me, they're very similar. You know what I might do? Actually, yeah, let's just do 6. I was gonna say I would put the 6-2N, the more peachy toned, first, because that's usually my method, is to use a pink under my eye to cancel out, and then I put on a lighter. Actually, let's do it like that. That's my method. That's my method. Let's just do it like that. So let's do the 6-2N, the more neutral peachy shade, just to cancel out any kind of bluey tones under my eye. And then we'll use 6, which is more golden, to brighten. So I'm going to take the bit that's more pointy, just to really get in these corners here. I mean, it's pointy. I like a little bit more firmness though. Like, I understand it's so pointy, it's detailed, but then it's like, I just want to like get in there, you know? Okay. Cool. That blended nicely. Again, I should have done it side by side. Yeah, it looks brightening, glowy, yet very kind of natural. Cute. It's like the perfect kind of everyday look. And then we have 6, which is more golden. And I'll put that on top just to brighten. That'll go around my nose. And then I'm just going to use the other side because I don't like the pointies kind of killing me. So it's just boop. I love museum dates. It's not a date, technically, but we are going to the museum. I love museums. I just wish LA, or maybe I just haven't looked hard enough, I wish LA had more modern art museums. They have a lot of contemporary art, and I'm not a huge fan of contemporary art because I find that contemporary art is just very, anything. Like, someone will take a beauty blender, put on a pedestal, and call it art. And it's like, okay, but, you know, like, I like modern art. I love Picasso. I love Frida Kahlo. I just love, like, technique. And I like when the artist really puts, like, what I feel like is effort. And I feel like a lot of contemporary art is very kind of, like, effortless. Like, anything is art. Like, it's just a white canvas and a smudge of red paint, and it's like art. And it's like, okay. But like, when you look at Renaissance art and modern art, like, there was, you know, I just feel like there's just a lot of like technical, like technique. It took years for these people to create their pieces. And then modern artists come in, or contemporary artists come in, and just like, here's a Lego art. And it's like, I guess. But we're going to Mocha, so contemporary art. But I like to be inspired, so we'll see. So we have shoulder to face. It's fine, it's given. So we have the powder. This is the Cloud Set Cushiony shade. And like I said, it looks so light on camera, but whatever. So I'm gonna use this to actually set under my eye. And I'm taking, this is a NARS brush. It came as a set, like a limited edition kind of set. And I'm just taking that to set it. It's very natural. It's so natural. Like, it almost looks like I'm not wearing foundation. Just like that NARS one, the NARS video that I just did. Very unclockable in person. Like, you would never know. You would never know I was wearing foundation. Do I like more coverage? Sure. Okay, I'm just putting it all over. Do I like more coverage? Sure. You know, would this be like special event makeup? Maybe not. But is it really nice for every day? Absolutely. I think it's beautiful for every day. And, you know, SPF 25 cannot hurt. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just bronze and maybe do a little mascara, and I'll be right back. We have another clean brand. It's Victoria Beckham, my favorite bronzer. I use it every day. It's so heavy. It's so expensive. It's luxury, like luxury, okay? But it's also clean beauty. Love it. This shade that I use is it's too deep. This is the one they sent me, but it's so expensive that I use it. Laura Mercier Glow Powder Brush. Figured if we're doing clean beauty, might as well just go all in. Just to warm up. Cute. Guys, I mean, in person, this looks spectacular. Like, I don't know what's showing on camera, but it looks so good. Like, healthy. So healthy. A little glow. You know, a little glow. Oh, a little glow. And then some mascara. So this is the new YSL Lash Clash mascara. I love it. I mean, it takes your lashes from 0 to 100 real quick. I always want to look like I got a little falsie on, but I don't want the falsie effort. And I feel like this mascara, like 2 coats of this, will get you right. This foundation looks phenomenal in person. I don't think I've ever used that word in a video. Cute. Okay, bottom mascara. Maybe a little. Okay, I love it. Looks good, looks bomb, looks clean, looks healthy. I have, you know, this perfect everyday foundation. I know I said about NARS, but this is the clean alternative. So if you guys are into clean foundations and makeup, try this Kosas. You guys are gonna love it. Like I said though, the only thing is I wish they had a little bit more of a warmer skin tone selection versus a cool tone skin tone selection, but that just seems to be across the board with every brand that's clean. They're just, I don't know, they're just not understanding yellow. But besides that, I love it. I'm gonna give it 2 thumbs up, 5 stars, 10/10. It's giving. It looks really nice, looks really healthy. Let me know what you guys think. Like, do you guys like it? Is it giving? I think it is. It's nice. Okay, so let me know your thoughts and comments down below. I'll be back with a hair video. I've got a bunch of hair videos that I need to upload, so those are coming up soon. Heading there now. Oh, gotta go. See you. Bye.